There is Japet for the slam.
To Jackson, here it comes. Bang! What?
In from way out there. Aguilar with the hammer.
Iniwan for Durham! And there you go!
Durham.
Leaves it for JB. Brownlee attacks middle. Brownlee!
Lonzo on the other side. Oh, three-point attempt! Yeah!
He wants to smile. Come on, Christian. You gotta smile.
Challenge shot. It was obviously contested once again. And the elegant shot. L.A. Tenorio, his first basket in the ball game.
Durham down the middle. Who hit? They drop in.
The referee says teammate mo yun.
Oh, what a shot!
Thompson three.
Oh, what a shot!
Uses the left to finish. Stan Hardinger the fake. Sinakyan ni... Oh! Almazan! And the shot still goes in.
Post to LA. One dribble step to the left.